How do I connect the Razer Kraken V3 to my Xbox controller?
Hello everyone. Today we're going to be tackling a common question that many gamers have. How do you connect your Razer Kraken V3 headset to your Xbox controller? It's easier than you might think, and we're here to guide you through each step.
What you will need.
First of all, let's make sure we have everything we need. Your Razer Kraken V3 headset, your Xbox controller, a 3.5mm audio cable. This should come with your Razer Kraken V3.
Locating your Xbox controller's audio port.
The first step is to find the audio port on your Xbox controller. This is where you're going to plug in your headset. The audio port is located at the bottom of the controller. It's a small round hole.
Connecting your headset to your Xbox controller.
Next, you're going to take the 3.5mm audio cable that comes with your Razer Kraken V3 and plug one end into the headset and the other end into the Xbox controller's audio port. Locate the 3.5mm audio port on your Razer Kraken V3. It's usually on the left ear cup. Insert one end of the audio cable into this port. Insert the other end of the cable into the audio port on your Xbox controller. Congratulations! Your Razer Kraken V3 is now connected to your Xbox controller.
Ensuring your headset is working.
Once you've connected the headset, it's important to make sure it's working properly. Put on your headset and navigate to your Xbox dashboard. Open the Settings menu. Scroll to General, then select Volume and Audio Output. Under Headset Audio, check if Headset Format is set to Stereo Uncompressed. If not, select this option. Finally, play a game or video to confirm the sound is coming through your headset. And that's it. You've successfully connected your Razer Kraken V3 to your Xbox controller. Now, you're all set to dive into your favorite games with superior sound quality. Enjoy your immersive gaming experience.